If you've been wanting to learn Mahjong or you already love playing, this Mahjong set by Linda Lee is so beautiful. First, the brown quilted case is really nice. It's a soft fabric with this cozy quilted design, but it's still structured so everything inside stays protected. It also makes it super easy to bring to game night. When you open it up, everything has its own place, which I love. The tiles are really well made and have a nice weight to them, so they feel great when you're shuffling and playing. The engravings and colors are really clear, which is especially helpful if you're still learning American Mahjong. It also comes with racks and pushers, dice, and all the pieces you need, so you can just open it up and start playing. And honestly, Mahjong is just one of those games that's so fun to sit down and play with friends. Shuffling the tiles, building the walls, and getting a round started is the best part. This Linda Lee Mahjong set from GammonVillage just makes the whole experience feel a little extra special.